Hello guys, it's Incognito here. So today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail and also from the video description, today I have a product that sent me by Ottocast, and they sent their product for me to a review. They watched my Android Auto Apple CarPlay video installation, the Chinese version of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay module that I've bought and installed, and you can see their video or that video on the icon here on the right top corner of the screen. And yeah, after the introduction, or not the introduction, but the intro of the video, I will talk about everything about this product. That let's see if it works. It's the first time that I've tested and installed it, unboxing, etc. I will show you everything about that, and let's see how this works and how this product looks. As you can see here, this is the product. So very small, a little box, as you can compare here from the center of the console of the car. It's very compact, also the box. But let's open it, and yes, as you can see, we have the device. It's very compact, very light. It's USB Type-C, the connection, that's very good. Also, it has a button. I don't know what is it, but let's see in the manual. So let's see what we have here. So as you can see here, we have a USB Type-C and USB Type-A cable. In our case, I guess we will use that because my car or my Android Auto device, yes, one important thing, this device only works if you already have an Apple CarPlay or Android Auto device installed in your car. So on my car, if I don't have this module that I bought previously, it won't work. But if your car already supports, for example, this is suit for people that has cable Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and you want to make it like wireless, so it's much better. You don't have to plug the cable every time you use your car. Plug the cable to your phone. This is wireless, it connects automatically, and that's the purpose of this product. So let's continue. So also we have, for cars that are much younger, USB Type-C cable. That's very cool. Also we have like a sticker to put, so if you want to place the device glue to a specific point, you have this sticker to put it there. Also you have like a user manual, English, Chinese, etc. So that's the thing. So let's plug it and see how it connects. You can see here, so we have this device. We will put the USB Type-C cable connected to the device, and then we will plug it into cable that come from the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto device that I have on my car. Yeah, red, we have this red, and then you will open your device settings and go to the Bluetooth, and you have to find for the auto. As you can see from the screen of the car, you have like the description of the device. So search it on the Bluetooth, then pair it, as we can see here. You have to accept the permissions and then click to use Apple CarPlay, as you can see here. So it's already on the screen. So for me, very fast, like I have on my Android Apple device installed on my car, and it's very fast, so very smooth. Also, I know there are some these devices that are not so smooth like this, but this is very, very smooth and usable, I guess, not laggy. And yeah, that's cool. This is my review. So basically, if you have a wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto device. And if you want to make it wireless without any cables, so it's like smooth or seamless integration, you go to your car and it has the Bluetooth connection on, and it's simply connected to your device. You just need to have always this device connected to your USB to the car, and it's free to go. Connects automatically, and it's very seamless. That's good. Also, if you want this product, if you want a discount, the coupon it's appearing on the screen. You have 20% off of any product that they have. So feel free to use it if you enjoy this product. And also, if you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up, comment, like on this video, and subscribe the channel if you want more content about Jaguar, the Triumph, also the bicycle. Next days or next videos, I have a lot of content to do. I know I don't make too many videos for the last couple of weeks, but yeah, it's kind of difficult. It's vacations month, so that's kind of difficult. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon. Ciao guys.